Alright, looks like everyone's asleep.
Well, Caine wants us to wake them up.
Why do you expect us to do that?
Mm-hmm. Make a loud noise or something?
You're good at that.
What do you mean I'm not good at that?
Yeah, you very much are. It's more like this. Hey, Bomni. Boo! See? You're gonna make a noise. Let's keep doing that. You got this.
What was that? Huh? Oh. Wait, this isn't the tent.
Oh.
A pony team. Hiss. Hiss.
What are we both doing here?
I don't know. Caine brought us here. This isn't the tent. Where is this?
I don't mind. I just mind that I was having good sleep before this.
Is she okay?
No idea.
I'll wake up my team then. Hey everyone, wake up. Wake up.
Mario. Come on, wake up.
Hey, Diddy. It's time for the next challenge.
Hey, I'm up.
I'm up too.
Come on, team, wake up now.
This is a very uncomfortable pillow.
Ooh.
You're not a pillow.
Yippee!
Hey!
Alright, don't wake me up like that. I could hear that in my own dreams.
What's all that racket? Why did you wake me up?
I didn't wake you up.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You made that loud noise.
No, they made that loud noise.
Oh, you're
I shouldn't. You two stop fighting.
Oh,
It's not solving our problem.
I had a great dream. They were cupcakes. I like cupcakes.
Well, good for you. Well.
Mr. Teacher, sir.
Oh.
Time to wake you.
Oh. Why, hello.
Oh, I forgot to tell you where. Wake up, peoples. I'm trying to have a sleepover here. Yeah. Of course, I'll open the door. You awake yet, doggy?
Yes, I'm awake.
Are you?
Yep, I'm awake. Nice and energized.
Alright.
What's supposed to go on?
Hey, they're still asleep. I'm awake.
I'm also awake.
I'm good too.
Aha! Hello, my loving contestants. I am so glad that you're all here, and you might be wondering why you're not in your beds in the tent. Well, there was an infestation of these rats. It turns out fire is very much can spread. My English does not word good, but yeah. Okay. So what's today's challenge then?
I'm getting bored.
Today's challenge is called Snore-possible, and you will be... hold on. There we go. So, today's challenge will be focused on your whole team's participation. Well, I mean, of course. So, both of your teams will compete to try to stay awake the longest. Simple enough?
Yeah.
But whoever's team fall asleep, mostly, like if all of your teammates fall asleep, you lose.
Okay.
Wait, that sounds easy.
Oh yes. This challenge will be going on until everyone on one team falls asleep. And I mean everyone.
Hope you're well rested.
Oh, great. Hey, do we still got confessionals?
Yes, they're just down the hall.
Well, I'll be heading over there now.
I gotta say something to the camera too.
I can't say things to the camera. Get off me now!
He's energetic.
Oh,
I'm not afraid of him falling asleep anytime soon.
I don't think we're gonna fall asleep anytime soon.
The only person I'm really worried about is Dog Day. It's just, you're pretty old and you fall asleep pretty easily.
No, I was resting.
Yeah, that's like sleeping mostly.
Wah. Alright, day 2. Sleeping challenge. I did not sleep the best last night, mostly because I was plotting on how to get that Seek out of this stupid game. I don't know what's his problem, but ever since day 1, which was basically yesterday, he's been always on my nerves. I don't know if it's just me or him. It's definitely him. What am I saying? It's definitely him.
I personally like to believe that I had slept very well last night. I feel well rested and ready. Reminds me of when I wake up in my lab in the morning. Reminds me of the polar opposite. I believe with our team's determination and will to success, I believe we can push through our own.
Alright, so... Great. Day 2 of this. Why did I sign up for the show again? I don't even remember. Anyway, last episode, I got my anger a bit over me, but, you know, I'll try better in this. This last episode was really frustrating.
Am I done yet?
Bendy, get out of the confessional. I'm still talking. Get the camera back where it was. Well, great. Now I forgot what the rest of I was going to say.
Hi!
Could you step away from the camera, please?
Oh, yeah. Hi!
Do you have anything you want to say to the camera?
Yeah. I'm very happy and I don't sleep all the time and I only go to sleep because somebody hits me over the head with something heavy and
Alright, people at home, you might not have seen it, but it has been a few hours and all of our people are still awake. Let's see how it unfolds.
Alright, so I'm very glad of our team, and plus we won the first round, so I'm not too worried. That's what I'm telling myself. Come on, Banana Slammas, we got this. We shouldn't have to be worried. We're destined to winning. But we're only on a 1-win streak, which I guess is still a streak, so yeah, I got this, we got this. And how are we gonna fall asleep anyway? Just look at our team.
Yeah, but we still got Mr. McOld Dog Day over here. But at the same time, I think Bendy will outlast us all.
Let's just make sure he doesn't use all of his energy. What are you two doing?
Hiya!
It looks like they're having fun. Reminds me of when I was younger. I'm gonna turn over. Maybe rest a bit. No, we don't need you to rest.
Yeah, you might fall asleep.
I don't see how that's a problem. Losing 1 me is like losing an 100th of Bendy.
Look, old dude. If we lose this challenge, I can guarantee you will be the one eliminated because you were the one first. No, I'm not gonna lose a member just because you're old. So you better stay awake or I'll make you. Now you,
If I had my legs
I need to speak to you about something. Diddy Kong, you come too.
Okay. Jesus. Okay, so.
Look, you two, I want to discuss to you about something.
Yeah.
Sure, what is it?
Alright then. I know it might be a bit early, but what do you say about a 3-way alliance between all 3 of us? I already see that you two already have an alliance amongst each other because you have your own past and stuff. But hey, if I was a part of it, I would add a little more brains to your mostly bronze.
Hey,
I got plenty of brain.
She is kind of right, though.
Well, don't worry, DK. We make a perfect duo.
So, what do you say?
I wouldn't mind of alliance.
I mean, if DK's okay with it, I'm okay with it.
Good. Now, come on.
Alright, let's go.
Do I think Diddy Kong and Donkey Kong were good teammates? Sort of. Donkey Kong has his strengths, and Diddy Kong also has strength and is a little bit smart. But I'm only using them so I can get far in this game. By the time one of them gets eliminated, I'll just throw out the other. Now, time to get back to the challenge, I guess.
Okay. It's still been another hour. And surprisingly, you're all still awake. That's it. I'm gonna have to call in some backup. What is... Alright, I'm back. And we have turned on the flashlight since it's actually starting to get dark now. Everyone, introducing our special guest, Catnap. Hello.
Challenge? It's just a giant purple cat.
I don't see what they could do against us.
Yeah, the only thing that it kind of does is freak me out.
That's the only thing it should do.
That's not. How is that a challenge exactly?
Oh, hey, Catnap.
Hey, Dog Day.
Wait. Oh, you're here to put us to sleep.
Yup. Wait, what?
Huh? Alright, now that sounds dangerous.
Wait, you know this guy?
Yes, he's my friend. We've known each other for a long time.
Hey, but no, not that part. He's gonna take us to sleep?
Yeah, that's what he does.
They don't call me Catnap for no reason, you know.
So, how exactly are you gonna put us to sleep?
You see, I have this red smoke that'll go into your nostrils and you'll be out like a light.
Oh.
Except he won't fully do it because that'll be cheating, because then all of you will go to sleep. He'll just put it in slightly to make you all a bit tired. Right, Catnap?
Yes, I can do that. I'll go send to the other team. Here you go, super coins.
Well, joke's on him. Robots don't need to breathe. Eh,
Is he holding his breath?
I think so.
Smart him.
Wait, what? I dozed away for a second.
Well, if we just avoid breathing too fast and obtaining more of this red smoke into our nostrils, we should be okay. Just breathe slower.
Is anyone else feeling lightheaded?
No, why?
I don't know. My head's getting real sleepy.
There goes our first soldier.
Great.
One contestant is already out for the super coins, and Dog Day's asleep.
Oh, come on!
Alright, it's 1-1.
Well, luckily we have more robots on this team, so we don't need to breathe this air.
And I don't think it matters if one of us breathes it either.
Hey,
Hey now, bud, don't go falling asleep now. Because I have to give you the monkey slap.
Oh, this stuff works pretty fast.
Yeah, I think it's slowly getting to me already.
What are y'all talking about? I feel fine over here. I think I'm just having the blast of my life.
Well, that's good. I guess.
Hi.
Yep, I'm getting a little lightheaded as well.
Hey,
Ow.
keep it up. Keep it together.
Fine, I got this. Oh, I'm so sleepy for some reason.
That's the point of the gas, is to make it tired.
Hold on, I got this. Ow! Ow, what the heck? You seem really awake now.
Yeah,
Yeah, but that stuff really hurt.
gotta drag this out the way.
Don't worry, I'll take the sleeping bodies away.
Well, this challenge is going well. Yeah. So, what's it like being a cat? Oh, you know, feline-esque. Don't worry about them, worry about me. Look at me. So, what's it like being a weird, toothy creature? It's just like having a normal head, except your mouth is also your face. Okay then. Should the camera return to the contestants? Yeah, let's have... Looks like you're getting tired, Mario.
Taking less rest than you have, though.
I got my own fist to keep me awake.
Good point, though. Hey, sir, do you have any, what? Never mind. I know we don't.
Oh, I can't take it anymore. I really need to rest my eyes just for a sec.
And that's another one out for the banana slammas.
Sorry. Yeah. Alright. Live, wake, and well.
Yeah, but Cyan got out. We're slowly losing this.
Don't worry. As long as we stay asleep, nothing can stop us.
Asleep?
I mean, oh wait, god dang it. I think the red smoke is getting to me.
Are you two okay?
Like I said, we're robots. We
Yep.
don't need to breathe.
I'm alright. Not doing so well over there, now are you?
We're doing perfectly fine. At least our one-eyed monster doesn't look tired. Wait, we don't
I'm
have
tired.
a one-eyed monster. Gosh darn it. The smoke's getting to me too.
Looks like you aren't doing as good as well as you thought you were. Don't go mocking them too much. You never know when karma will get the best of you.
Yeah,
I should leave them to their suffering.
karma. Oh.
I wonder what Caine will think if I did this. Ow!
Oh, hey!
Oh,
The heck?
ooh, man.
Diddy, wake up, wake up.
Ooh, that made me pretty tired.
No,
Like to knock the wind out of me.
no, Diddy, we gotta stay awake.
Ooh.
Forgive me.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Diddy, but you were... Sorry, Diddy, but you were drifting away.
Yeah, thanks.
The heck, Shadow?
I'm only doing what's right, what we can do to win.
Come on, Diddy.
So, you think we got this? We've always had this.
Ugh, I don't know about you guys, but I'm still growing up. I'm getting tired.
Maybe I have something in my lab coat.
The kettle always told me I needed to get nice 8 hours of sleep.
Yeah, hey, don't fall asleep now. Try this.
Ow. The heck was that?
Pure caffeine.
What?
Are you sure it's
Oh my gosh, I feel so awake. Oh my god. Hey, Bendy, look, I can do this.
Did he just throw up pure coffee?
Are you sure that was the right thing to give to a kid?
Oh, you know, I sure do feel energized, but at the same time, I feel sick. That stuff tasted awful.
Whatever keeps him awake.
Oh, alright, I'm good.
Well, nice to know that.
Well, you looking tired, huh, Seek?
No.
You blinked. That means you're getting tired. Ugh,
Not doing so well yourself, are you?
I'm doing fine. Waluigi can withstand anything.
Do you need caffeine?
No, I'm good.
Suit yourself.
Hey, do you still got a little bit of coffee left in you? I think there's some in my head. Give me that. This feels weird.
Yeah, it looks real gross, man. I would...
Oh. Alright. You don't even know where my straw's been, man. Well, it doesn't matter.
That seems very unsanitary.
Shut up. Whatever it takes for win. Whatever it takes.
Another hour has passed, but it seems that our contestants seem to be getting very sleepy. Even the ones that said they were full of energy. Let's go look.
Okay, I know I said I can't breathe and stuff, but even I'm starting to get tired.
No, you guys gotta stay awake. You guys are basically our MVPs for such and Bendy.
I don't know, DK. Even Bendy's slowing down a bit.
Hey.
Woo!
Hiya!
Hey! Maybe I was wrong. Yeah, but I'm not feeling too good.
Well, what do you think, Mr. Peterson?
What?
I don't think there's any cheats to keep us awake.
Ugh,
Oh.
I'm getting tired. No, you guys can't fall asleep. Then we'll have to eliminate someone.
But we're doing so well. Come on.
Slap him, Diddy.
Alright.
The heck was that for?
Keeping you awake.
Well, I guess that kind of worked.
Oh. What about me? Don't worry, I got you too. Oh. I'm feeling it now.
And Cuphead has fell asleep. Yoink!
Well,
That's 2 each.
I think this is the part where we're going downhill.
Wait, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm doing great.
You don't have coffee anymore.
Oh, you're right. Hey, you have clues, right?
Yes.
Ow. Whew, yeah, that'll keep me up. Keep me up. That really hurts as well.
I'm gonna go check up on Red and Mario. So, how are y'all 3 doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm doing alright. Yes, I'm doing okay as well, for the most part. Nice to know that. Nice to know that. Say, is there any treatment for Mario's sleepiness? I could give him caffeine. After what happened to Cuphead, no thanks. I can make it a small dose. Yeah, do that. Alright, hold still. Ooh, aha! Ooh, that really got me to jump up. Thanks. That should keep me awake. Don't mention it.
Alright, so we got an idea, right, Diddy?
Yeah, we got a good one here.
So I'm gonna throw Bendy at him, and then Bendy, you're gonna go terrorize him.
Yeah!
Make him fall sleepy and stuff. Go!
Anyway, I was thinking we should...
What
Oh,
the
goodness,
heck?
when the...
Yeah, new friends.
What is that all about?
I don't know.
No idea, but it's certainly getting him out. Ooh, man, that winded me. All
You
right.
looking tired, Zeke?
Shut you.
Hey, don't put your hands on me.
Don't put your... Ow, goodness, don't poke my eye.
Don't poke my face.
Ow, goodness. You better watch where you're shoving those hands.
Well, you better put where you hands.
Break it up, you two, break it up.
He started it.
Guess what? I'm finishing it. So that neither of you get each other out.
Well, whatever.
Looks like this team's already starting to crumble apart a bit. I think we need a...
Okay. I'm getting tired. I really don't know how much longer I can. And there goes another member for the Banana Slammers.